Welcome to this tutorial on how to divide fractions by whole numbers. Dividing a fraction by a whole number involves dividing the numerator by the whole number while leaving the denominator the same. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want to divide the fraction 2/3 by the whole number 4. Write the fraction as a division problem 2/3 divided by 4. Convert the division of a fraction by a whole number to a multiplication of the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. 2/3 divided by 4 equals 2/3 by 1/4. Multiply the numerators of the fractions and the denominators of the fractions separately. 2/3 by 1/4 equals 2 by 1, 3 by 4. Simplify the fraction if possible. 2 by 1 divided by 3 by 4 equals 2/12 equals 1/6. Therefore, 2/3 divided by 4 is equal to 1/6. Next example involves simplifying the fraction before dividing. Let's divide the fraction 10/15 by the whole number 2. To simplify the fraction, we need to find the GCF of 10 and 15, which is 5. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by 5, we get 2/3. Now we can divide the numerator of 2/3 by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Therefore, the result of dividing 10/15 by 2 is 1/3. There are generally two methods to divide a fraction by a whole number. Both methods yield the same result. The first method is to convert the division of a fraction by a whole number to a multiplication of the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. The second method is to divide the numerator of the fraction by the whole number while leaving the denominator the same.